So this is their beautiful office. As you can see, everything is like a photo op waiting to happen. I absolutely love the aesthetic of the office. Also, all the rooms are just as gorgeous. Just wanted to throw it out there so you see the vibe of the place if you wanted to stop by. We started off with actually lining the lip with a regular liner, and this is her using the needle now to trace it over for the outline. After we outline the lips, here Julian is filling everything in, and it was 3 hours plus to do this, but I honestly had so much fun because she kept me so entertained the whole time. We did the top, and now we're gonna work on the bottom. These are my lips after we were finished. We blotted it. This is the beautiful color I went home with. Yes, my lips are swollen, but that's definitely to be expected. It'll go away in a day. Hey guys, so this is my official 1 week of my lips. My lips look so good already, and it's well moisturized because all I've been doing is applying Aquaphor, so it's so freaking soft. This is how it looks up close. As you can see, there's no scabbing, no weirdness going on. My lips are like normal basically. Overall, I do think that it's lighter and it's becoming that like more of that reddish color that I wanted, where like a tint of it is like pinkish reddish, but I could be in my head about things, so you guys let me know if you see it as well. But I do think it isn't like that dark weird color I had before. I've tried to record this many times, but the construction keeps getting in the way that we're just gonna go for it. This is how my lips look 3 weeks in. It is peeling again a little bit, but it still looks very soft and moisturized because it is. But yeah, it's still peeling though. You see that? That's skin. But this is it with a little bit of Aquaphor on it. Nothing else. As you can see, the color is more pinkish reddish. It's like a vibrant color, and that was not my original lips color, so I'm definitely starting to see a little bit of the lip tattoo poke out, well, lip blushing, whatever you want to call it, start to surface. So I'm really excited about that. Hi there, my name is DiannaQiu and welcome to my channel. So this is my 1 month update of me getting lip blushing done. I basically tattooed my lips. I only did 1 session, and this is the update. In my last video, I actually filmed the entire process for you guys, start to finish, up until now. But yeah, I filmed how my lips were doing every day for a week. So if you have a work or school and you're stressed about the healing process, you can check that video out. Without further ado, let me get up close and show you exactly how my lips are doing. So as you can see, they healed pretty quickly. My lips were basically done the entire process by like day 6 or 7. But yeah, this is how my lip is doing. I'm actually going to go back for my 2nd session in about 2 weeks or so. So a lot of you might say you don't notice a difference in my color or how the lips are doing. Personally, I do see a difference. For example, when I wake up, my lips don't have that dark dead look to it. I wake up and my lips are like this naturally. Before, I would have to exfoliate. I would have to exfoliate my lips to have a little bit of color back in them. Now I just wake up all the time and this is my consistent lip color. If anything, if I exfoliate, my lips are actually way brighter than that, but this is how it naturally looks. That's why I'm showing you this. So because this was our 1st session, this was the neutralization session, and basically the next session we're going to put more color on, and that's when you're going to be able to see a more noticeable result. But like I said, I definitely notice a difference. My lips are more even toned, and once again, when I wake up, it's naturally already a nice color I'm already comfortable with. So I've been taking care of my lips the same way as I normally would. I keep them hydrated, Aquaphor always on all the time. So yeah, I just keep them well hydrated. I don't exfoliate them. I just still let them peel off naturally on its own because I'm just being really extra careful with my lips. If I drink something, I try to drink from a straw, or I don't drink like tea when it's hot. I'll keep it warm and try not to have it touch my lips because I do know tea and coffee stains so bad. Same way it stains your teeth, it could stain your lip. I'm going to keep documenting this entire lip journey for you guys. So basically after I do the 2nd session, how my lips look healed after that. For for you guys so you can see our final result and my end goal of how I want it to look. Honestly, I know this is a really quick video. I just really wanted to get it out there for you guys just to update you the exact way my lips look after a month of healing from our first session of lip blush and dust. If you're interested in seeing how my lips looked after our second session and basically our final lip goal, please hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. That is it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.